In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Deku color in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change the colors of the effects for any characters, including Deku, of course, in Heroes Battlegrounds. You will be able to do this, like I said, as any character, and most of the effects on your moves will change color depending on the option that you select. So for you to do this, go over to the settings icon over here at the top left, and you will be able to find effect color alongside kill streak color. This is going to be the option related to changing the color of your moves in Heroes Battlegrounds. However, I do need to make a very quick warning. As you can see, it is exclusive to VIPs, so keep that in mind. You will only be able to enable the effect color and change the colors accordingly if you have VIP. If you don't have VIP, immediately upon clicking this, you will get the option to buy 800 Robux to acquire this. Now, once this is done and you have VIP active, which I don't have on my account sadly, you click this option, you will either see a color wheel or the option to select any of these colors that I'm highlighting on screen. So you just select any of them, and upon choosing any of the colors listed there, when you use your moves, you will see the color that you chose appear along the effects. And like I said, this isn't exclusive to Deku. Or you will be able to see the color change on any other characters that you select, and it is super simple to do. The only requirement sadly is that you will need VIP for this experience. So choose the option to use the effect colors, choose any of the colors available on the little squares or rectangles, or if you see a color wheel, just select any color from there and you will be good to go to change the Deku colors in Heroes Battlegrounds. This should work for mobile and PC, and you can do it as any hero. I hope I was able to help you on how to change hero color in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.